The Ministry of Health will increase the monthly allowances given to the Kenyan doctors studying in Cuba from 50,800 shillings to 144,000 shillings to cover the high cost of living in Havana. Speaking at Afya House today, Health Cabinet Secretary Sicily Kariuki also stated there will be more health research collaboration between Kenya and Cuba.
We have adjusted the allowances for them to be able to seek alternative accommodation. So the issue of the students really coming back on account of overplaying the matter as far as the ministry leadership goes or government stops there. It's been addressed. We will be vigilant to monitor if there are any emerging issues, and the embassy in Havana has undertaken Project Cuba coordinating team here, which is being headed by the Director of Medical Services right here, will be on a periodic basis again be checking on what is happening.